I really want to get into Freckle math. Let's see, what did Mrs. Reinzel and Mrs. Battle say about getting into all of our passwords and links? Oh yeah, they said they shared a document with us that had everything we needed. So let me go up into my little waffle here and click on my drive and see where that is. If I click on recent or shared with me, that's what it is. If I click on shared with me, it's the thing that's shared with me. It's my passwords and link page. Oh my gosh, it says everything that I need. It shows me how to sign in. It gives me my sign in. And it has Freckle Math and keyboarding without tears and IXL. Oh my gosh, this has everything. So if I go to Freckle, I can click this and hit this link. And look, my username and password's right here, or my classroom code's right here. I just need that. So BATTLW. Okay. I'm going to go to Freckle. Class code BATTLW. Woohoo! Let's see if I'm in this class. Let's see. Woohoo! I'm here! Now I can practice. All right. Let's do some fun math. Let's practice my facts. Cool. Oh, 11 divided by 1 is 11. Woohoo, I got a point. 3 times 1 is 3. Woohoo, I got 5 points. I'll keep practicing until I get everything. All right,